Welcome to the amusement park. Welcome to the amusement park. I love the roller coaster. I love the roller coaster. Let us buy the tickets. Let us buy the tickets. Where is the main entrance? Where is the main entrance? The line is very long. The line is very long. I want a cotton candy. I want a cotton candy. Look at the Ferris wheel. Look at the Ferris wheel. It looks very tall. It looks very tall. Is this ride very fast? Is this ride very fast? Please fasten your seatbelt. Please fasten your seatbelt. Keep your hands inside now. Keep your hands inside now. I am feeling very excited. I am feeling very excited. That was a scary ride. That was a scary ride. Let us eat some popcorn. Let us eat some popcorn. I am thirsty for water. I am thirsty for water. Are you having fun today? Are you having fun today? The park closes at night. The park closes at night. We need to leave soon. We need to leave soon. This is a great day. This is a great day. I bought a souvenir shirt. I bought a souvenir shirt. Where is the photo booth? Where is the photo booth? The music is very loud. The music is very loud. I lost my map here. I lost my map here. Can you help me please? Can you help me please? The park is very crowded. The park is very crowded.